Let's talk about pesticide use in parks throughout Montgomery County.
We do use pesticides in the parks, but we use them as a last resort.
Chief of the Horticulture, Forestry, and Environmental Education Division for Montgomery Parks, David Vismara, says there's a number of reasons why.
The first reason is protect the safety and health of our patrons. Other reasons is because we have such a large investment in our parks. We use that to protect our infrastructure, which is our buildings, our sidewalks, our parking lots, and our plants. We have a huge investment in all these.
However, Vismara says there are a lot of pesticide-free areas in parks.
In using pesticides, people think we spray pesticides on everything, and again, that's not the case. We have currently our playgrounds are pesticide-free. That's 273 playgrounds. No pesticides are used on those. All of our common grassy areas, which we're kind of standing around right here in Norwood Park, none of those are sprayed with pesticides. That's about 1,600 acres in the parks.
The county has a special program set in place.
We currently have a program, a pesticide-free parks program. We have 10 pesticide-free parks, which we're standing in one right now in Norwood Park. We are looking at expanding that list in the near future, and you can find these parks listed on our website.
And Montgomery County has actually been a leader when it comes to pesticide reduction in this country.
We started this program called Integrated Pest Management over 25 years ago, and this program emphasizes pesticides as a last resort.
Vismara added that there are other alternatives to get rid of weeds and pests.
The other means that we use and a lot of other people employ, there's mechanical means, there's cultural means, and there's biological means of taking care of pests. With the mechanical means, we're talking about hand weeding, which we have a tremendous volunteer program that does a lot of weeding in the parks. There's hoeing, using the weed eater string trimming. We also just recently purchased what's called a foam string machine to take care of weeds. And this machine uses a plant-based solution with heat that makes a foam that when you spray it on weeds, it supposedly kills the weeds. So we've just purchased those two machines. We're going to be trying those out in the parks.
Reporting in Bethesda, Jordan Lindsay for MyMC Media.